some paper, some glitter glue, some glue, some paint, and little paint brushes. We're going to be using green felt, which I've cut into little triangles, and some brown felt. What you need to do is cut your paper. I use bristle board. I just use this little book, which is my favorite book right now, and I cut it out. As you can see, I have a few options, which are all cute, but for my first card, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go with
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice, he's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better not cry, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
The little tin horns and little toy drums, Rudy toot toots and Mama tum tums. Santa Claus is coming to town. And curly head dolls to cuddle and coo, elephant boats and kitty cars too. Santa Claus is coming to town.
He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows if you've been bad or good, so you better be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better watch out, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
He's coming to town.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice, he's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better not cry, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
The little tin horns and little toy drums, Rudy toot toots and Mama tum tums. Santa Claus is coming to town. And curly head dolls to cuddle and coo, elephant boats and kitty cars too. Santa Claus is coming to town.
He He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're away. He knows if you've been.
So this is the final result. I really love how this card stayed. The only thing is that it got kind of stained with paint, but still cute. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. If you try to make this card, you can tag me. I'm gonna leave my Instagram somewhere around here, or you can DM me. See you in another video. Bye, my cuties.